If you've ever sat through hours of video or pages of documents just to manually track sensitive information, you know how exhausting and time-consuming it gets. Meet CaseGuard Studio, an AI-powered redaction platform that gives an all-in-one solution for your video, audio, documents, and image redaction. With up to 98% accuracy, this AI-powered redaction solution automates work up to 30 times faster than manual processes. What makes it even better is that it's fully on-premise, meaning your data never leaves your device. So now, we'll take a closer look at CaseGuard and see how it takes out the pain of those frame-by-frame manual redactions. CaseGuard's AI video and audio redaction features are purpose-built for redaction. Once you upload your footage, whether it's from security cameras or body cams, the software lets you decide exactly what to redact. For video, it detects 12 specific types of personally identifiable information, including faces, screens, license plates, barcodes, credit cards, and even handwritten signatures. When it comes to audio, CaseGuard recognizes over 30 types of personal identifiers, from names and phone numbers to social security data. Once selected, the system automatically redacts those points within minutes. The activity panel allows you to unredact or find any face in your video in an instance. Meanwhile, CaseGuard's AI produces complete speaker-based transcripts that are searchable and editable. So, if you missed something, you can simply highlight and redact it right there.
Phone number we have is that right?
Yes, that's right.
It even includes tools for cleaning up background noise, like sirens or chatter, which ensures clarity and privacy in every file. Organizations that handle legal files, medical records, or government documents often spend months working through massive redaction backlogs manually. CaseGuard helps teams break free from this cycle by automating redaction from start to finish in bulk. To redact handwritten or scanned documents, CaseGuard uses OCR, which can read the words in a file, even if that file is just a scanned picture. From there, you can ask it to automatically detect sensitive details, and it'll automatically block them out across hundreds of pages. Let's say, for a criminal investigation report, you can tell it to redact all names in every file in the project. And when the redaction is done, you have the option to add a watermark so people know the document's been processed or flagged as confidential. This matters a lot for government agencies that need to respond to Freedom of Information Act requests without leaking personal info. We live in a world where people speak so many languages, and CaseGuard is thoughtfully designed to keep up with that. It has the feature to translate those transcripts into 100 other languages automatically. Say you've got a recording in English and you want to translate it into Spanish. Just select Spanish, and the software takes care of it. That makes it easier to handle recordings across 100+ different languages without missing anything important. That gives them the clarity they need to decide which parts of the audio should be redacted. It's a straightforward way to make sure privacy is handled the right way. Using CaseGuard for data redaction makes compliance simple and stress-free. The exemption log helps you record exactly why certain details were not redacted, along with the legal justification for each choice. The standard report then pulls everything together, which gives you a clear snapshot of every redaction, who performed it, and when. On top of that, built-in compliance checks automatically catch sensitive data so nothing is missed. Combined, these tools ensure you meet compliance requirements for regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and FOIA without extra hassle. So, before sharing our final words, let's talk a bit about the flexible plans CaseGuard offers. If you go with the doc plan, it'll cost just less than $100 per month if billed annually. But if you move towards the premium plan, which is $329, you'll get unlimited redaction for videos, audio, documents, and images, plus features like transcription, translation, speaker detection, and analytics. And you don't have to figure it out all alone. CaseGuard's privacy experts are always there to guide you through. So don't let manual redactions drain your team's time, because this tool will save 85% of your manual redaction time. For you, we'll drop the link in the description where you can choose your CaseGuard subscription and start automating redaction right away. Thanks for watching.